the last video, 2 videos. Go check them out. And right now it's like the second wave of the thing. There's a lot of wind and I can barely stand it.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. Today it's super windy and earlier today it rained so much, and also right now like there have been 3 lightning and
more like 3 million, 3,000, 10 billion.
and it's like इधर आज बहुत जैसे wind चल रही है और सुबह जैसे दोपहर को बारिश भी बहुत हुई थी, and like it's an amazing weather and like see another lightning. So अभी बहुत सारी lightning हो रही है, तो be safe, आप अपने आप को safe रखो और